Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to stop sharing location on Snapchat on iPhone. Before seeing this, open up your Snapchat, then you tap on the location icon at the bottom here, at the bottom left corner. Then it's a mistake, sorry. Then you go down, all the way down to sharing location, which is under Snap Map. You can see it here. Tap on sharing location. Now you can decide to hide the location from everyone except your friends, or your friends except a particular person, or to hide it from only those friends will see. That's the third option. Or you can decide to turn on ghost mode, which will make your friends not be able to even see your location. It all depends on you. So if I turn on or enable ghost mode, you have 3 hours, 24 hours, or until turned off. So I'm going to choose until turned off, and now I'm on ghost mode, which means I have stopped everyone from seeing my location. I've stopped sharing my location. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this. Thank you.